Today, I'll walk you through the goods invoice receipt screen in TechCognics ERP. This screen is used to record the receipts of materials into a warehouse. These could be raw materials, packing materials, or stationery. First, navigate to Inventory and Logistics. Click on the Good Invoice Receipt option. Once you click on Good Invoice Receipt, the Good Invoice Details screen will be displayed. On this screen, you can view all existing good invoices with the following detail: doc number, doc date, vendor code, vendor name, purchase order, company location, remark, total amount, status, and actions. At the top, you will find the vendor name filter. Using this filter, you can quickly search and view the goods invoice of that vendor. On the right hand side, you will find the Add button. Once you click on the Add button, the GIR screen has two main sections: document information, that captures the document and transition level details, and item detail information that captures item level details and batch information. Then, in document information, the first field is document number. This is a unique number generated by the system starting with the prefix GIR. You can edit it if needed, but usually it's auto-assigned. Then the doc date. This shows the date of GIR document is created. By default, it's today's date, but you can change it according to your business requirement. Then purchase order, that is PO. Here, you can select the PO against which the goods are received. When you select a PO, the system autofills vendor information, vendor state, and item details, reducing manual entry. Only POs with status submitted will appear. If a PO or vendor doesn't exist, you can create them directly from this screen. Then comes Ship to Address. This shows the company's shipping address for the received items. Then company location. This indicates the operational location where the goods are recorded. It determines the organizational units for the transaction. Then warehouse. This selects which warehouse will store the received items. The warehouse list depends on the chosen company location. Then store. Within a warehouse, you can choose the specific store where the item will be kept. Then the reference number. These are optional fields to record any internal or external reference for the transaction. Then remark. This is where you can add notes for clarification, auditing, or future reference. Then comes the item details information section, in which you can find item description that contains item name, UOM, rate, and PO quantity. Then when you click on the gear icon, the update batch button item details will be displayed. Here you can fill or edit batch code, then batch manufacturing date, batch expiry date, then received quantity, that is how many units were actually received, and accepted quantity, how many units are accepted. Note that accepted quantity cannot exceed received quantity. Each batch gets its own record to maintain traceability. The accepted quantity should be same or less than the received quantity. At the bottom of the items grid, two totals are automatically calculated: sum of the PO quantity and the sum of gross total. These give a quick summary of quantities and amounts. When talking about the buttons, the Save button saves as a draft. The status will be saved draft. Then the Submit button finalizes the document. The status is submitted. And the Cancel button discards changes and exits the screen. So the status is saved draft. So the GIR screen ensures that everything we receive is recorded accurately in the system. It links directly to purchase orders, allows batch level tracking, and calculates totals automatically. This helps maintain accurate inventory and smooth production operations. Thank you for watching.